Hi everyone, welcome back. I've started a new journey on buying some Wera tools. So I bought these because they were cheap. Got them from Tool Station. I can't remember how much they were, but it was too good to be true, so I just bought them. They're quarter-inch sockets going from 5mm to 13mm. So yeah, I thought I'd just pick them up. And then just add them to my DIY toolbox, which I haven't got yet, but I will do. So let's have a look at this. So it comes in the nice packaging as always. And there we have the Velcro, so you can attach it wherever you want. Instructions again, we won't go into that. You also get a sticker. I'll have a lot of stickers if I carry on buying Wera tools. But anyway, I'll get the box out of the way. These are all colour coded, but there's a nice twist to them. So yeah, it goes from 5mm all the way to 13mm. On a belt, apparently you can hook it onto your belt loop, but I won't be anyway. I'll just put in the bag. Yeah, nice, held on really well. So in order to take these off, you have to twist them. Nice click there, which I like. Trying to get something like this for my other sockets in my toolbox, but yeah. So I've got a Halford's ratchet here. It's a 100 tooth push button. Fits nice on there. Tell you the truth, I can't really complain. Some people do say that you're supposed to use a Wera Cyclops ratchet on it, but I'm happy with that. I don't think I need to buy one of those. Probably will end up getting one. We'll see. But yeah, fits nice on that. Let's have a. That's a wobble extension. Again, this is a Halford's extension. It's a bit of resistance there. Oh, that fits. Let's see how it is. Yeah, not bad. On the wobble. And then, yeah, that's pretty good, that. Fits really well. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Really nice. You know, if you get your socket stuck on there, it's not going to be very easy to come off your extension. Yeah, it's pretty good. Let's try it on that. Put it the way it should be. So, hardly a gap. There we go, that's clipped in, so there is a gap. Okay, I can deal with that. I'm not too fussed, but when it's on the extension, that's on solid. Quite happy with that. It's virtually the same as the extension. That's fallen into the ball joint where the indent is, so yeah, there is quite a lot of play in that, but hey ho, I'm more fussed about that. Yeah, it's all colour coded, got some nailing on it, so you can hold it and then start the nut off or whatever, but I think that's what that's for. But yeah, it's in a nice set. I like the finish off it, satin look. I'm normally chrome, but this one's got a satin finish. But yeah, quite impressed with these. Quite like them. 7mm. If you like this video, please do give it the thumbs up and subscribe and share.